Thank you for the kites, Nanny and Grumpy. Here's how you fly the kites. I'm going to tell you how to fly the kite. First, you're going to tie the string on. Now, let it go.
You need to find an open spot with no trees or power lines close to you like in the picture. You also need to find a very windy place. When you find that windy place, you let the kites go like you see in the picture. A windy day is a great day to fly a kite. As you see in the picture, it's very windy, so the kites are flying very high. It's fun to fly a kite, and you can do it any windy day. Now you know how to fly a kite. You should try it one time. Just make sure, like in the picture, that it's very windy so you can fly it.
Angels cheer because we're together. Weather-wise, it's such a lovely day. Just say the words and we'll beat those birds down.